Welcome back. In this video, I am concentrating on sulfonation reaction is yet another electrophilic substitution reaction. As already I pointed out that electrophilic substitution reactions, we need to gain the marks by having like these steps. Initially, we need to focus on general reaction followed by the different steps involved in the electrophilic substitution reactions. So, number one, the general reaction about the sulfonation. Sulfonation means what? The sulfonyl chloride, sulfonyl group, not sulfonyl chloride, sulfonyl group is substituted over the benzenes to form a benzene sulfonic acid. So, here benzene here, sulfuric acid here is concentrated sulfuric acid we are taking. By taking the concentrated sulfuric acid, along with we need to focus with our dissolved sulfur trioxide. So, this is very important in the condition, not just like that adding the concentrated sulfuric acid will result into the benzene sulfonic acid. We need to dissolve SO3 in concentrated sulfuric acid before using to the reaction. So, now in this general reaction we will focus the benzene sulfonic acid as a substituted product with water. And step 1 is the generation of electrophile. So, how the electrophile is generated? So, now you take the sulfuric acid, say so for sake of convenience I am making the 2 moles of sulfuric acid here. That means initially we are taking a concentrated sulfuric acid, how the concentrated sulfuric acid among the different moles will react like this. Okay. So, I am taking for example 2 moles of sulfuric acid here, H2SO4, H2SO4. Don't think that H2SO4 together is reacting. So, within the H2SO4 how it generate the electrophile, that is the main focus, and H2SO4 and H2SO4 gives you H3O plus hydronium ion plus HSO4 minus, our base will be created here. See that this is our base created and followed by SO3 is created here. For the purpose we need to dissolve the SO3 along with our sulfuric acid. So, this is our electrophile, okay, SO3, that is our sulfur trioxide. So, once the formed sulfur trioxide, we may how to notice that it is an electrophile. See that resonance hybrid structure of our sulfur trioxide here. So, this is very easy for writing. Sulfur, like how we are writing a C double bond O, here S double bond O, S double bond O, S double bond. And for taking a resonance hybrid structure, so either the bond is broken. So, for example, if I am breaking this one, so what will happen? The positive and negative charge is separated over here. So, make this resonance hybrid structure right now. So, similarly for you can start with number 1, 2 and 3. So, that is easy way of understanding the canonical structure of our sulfur trioxide. So, instead of by hearting this one, this is the way. So, you break this bond and make it sulfur as positive and O minus, and take this one, break this bond and make it as O minus and S plus, and similarly. So, because of we have 1, 2, 3 oxygen here, you make it like this to make our sulfur trioxide's resonance hybrid structure, and altogether we need to focus like our S double bond O with our delta positive and delta negative charges to make the compound into a electrophile. So, this is our SO3. So, that for sake of convenience by representing like our electrophile like this. So, step 2 in this reaction, the formation of rhenium ion. So, as already I pointed out in the previous videos that once the presentation is good while writing in the examinations, so these things are we need to follow the various steps, and we need to give the explanations for individual steps also. So, benzene with sulfur trioxide with S positive and negative charges. Okay. So, now we are having a as usual what I pointed out about the delocalized pi electron present inside the benzene ring along with our SO3. Once it is attacking here, the electrophile attack come over here to form our areninum ions hybrid structure. So, which is nothing but called as an sigma complex or areninum ion. So, as usual, already I have given you in similar pattern for our all electrophilic substitution reactions for students to understand the concept very easily. That's why I am making the same fashion of writing the mechanism of the reaction. See that we have already benzene means 3 double bond inside the ring. So, once the electrophile is attacking here, one of the double bonds present inside the ring is removed. So, that what will happen due to the removal of this double bond, the areninum ion is lost is the aromatic nature. So, that here it is lost. So, put a positive charge here. Now, it is migrating towards like this, it goes here, so that this will be coming over here. So, that put 2 double bonds here and don't need to change in the top proton and SO3 minus. So, it will remain same for all the cases. So, now once it is migrated, the positive charge migrate towards here, and later on what will happen? This will be going to here in such a way that this migration takes place. So, that will give you a third our resonance hybrid structure. Altogether we need to focus with our sigma complex by making this fashion. So, this is nothing but our areninum ion or VLN intermediate or sigma complex. All three words are similar meaning only. So, now step 3 is the deprotonation of areninum ion by the base. So, here point to be noted, in all other cases only one base is involved to get the product, but here as we already pointed out that, see that we have this is one base followed by our hydronium ion is also there. So, the two things will react to get our final product. Okay. So, now our areninum ion here. So, this is areninum ion. So, our substituted product is expressed in the word for this. Okay. So, this is our areninum ion or sigma complex. Either the way we can focus this sigma complex for this, and HSO4 minus is our base. So, as usual what we pointed out that base is to abstract the proton. So, abstract the proton by the base will takes place. So, that what will happen, our delocalized pi electron, the electron is shifted towards the benzene ring to get our retaining of our aromaticity by the areninum ion. So, areninum ion is regain the aromatic nature by getting a substituted product and sulfuric acid is resulted. Come back. And again our hydronium ion is here. Hydronium ion is again is reacting with the first formation of the abstraction of the base followed by here. So, this will supply the H plus ions. So, that H plus ions will come over, that's because, so this is our H plus. So, H3O plus or H plus are remain same. Okay, hydronium ion or hydrogen ion. So, that will go and substitute here, neutralize this SO3 minus by H plus to get our benzene sulfonic acid as a substituted product along with. So, once H plus ions is go over here, what will happen? One of the H is replaced, removed from this, you will get our H2O. So, that H2O is come out as a product here. So, this is our simplified reaction mechanism involved in the sulfonation of our benzene sulfonic acid formation by sulfonation of benzene. And this is very simplest route, and another alternate method is also available. So, instead of going with sulfuric acid, we can use chlorosulfonic acid, which will result into the benzene sulfonic acid as a product along with HCl as similar mechanism. So, this is the way what I am trying to focus on all I have mentioned you here. So, in the next video I am trying to focus with some other reaction mechanisms involved in the electrophilic substitution reaction. Thank you.